how to share your feed with someone on TikTok. So if you want to share your feed with someone on TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with a video that you would like to share. Once you find your video, you need to go with the share button, which will be on the bottom right. Once you tap on share, you will get all of this interface. Like if you want to share with someone on your messenger, you can go and select messenger, or you can go and select WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram direct, or you'll also have an option of SMS, Snapchat, email, and many more applications. So you can just simply go and select the application in which you would like to share. Like for example, if I want to share it to my messenger, I'll just simply tap on messenger. After that, you need to go with send, which will be on the right side. And that's it. That's how you can share your feed with someone on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.